What's up, guys? We did a video installing the light bar on the Nissan Titan XD. The light bar install turned out great. The video, not so much. We had some issues with filming and audio, so the mic cutting in and out and that sort of thing. So hopefully the video turns out decent. I apologize for it. We're going to put links to the products in the description of the video, and we're going to try to keep making more videos. Thanks. This is our light bar mounting bracket. It mounts to these two bumper bolts from behind the grille like this. But in order to put the bolt in it, we're going to have to grind out some of the plastic. That should work. We're going to take these two 15mm bolts out and bolt this bracket in place so we can bolt our light bar up. We've got our plug for the light. We're gonna fish it down behind the grille and the bumper, and then we'll run the rest of the wires. We're about to mount the light bar, get it plugged in, and then we'll run the rest of the wires. Came with two supplied Allen key bolts with lock washers and flat washers, and those are going to go into the bracket in the back, and then we can mount the light bar. There's no gap to push the connector through the bumper after the light bar is completely installed, so we're going to go ahead and plug it up. leave the 2 end bolts loose so that we can adjust the angle of the light bar. And then we'll tighten them up once it's wired up. Got the light bar mounted. We're gonna go ahead and change our switch, run the wires inside the truck, get the switch mounted, tie it to the battery, and we'll be finished. I popped out one of the blanks next to the fog light switch, and we're gonna drill the hole in this to mount our new switch. So we've got our new switch wired into the pigtail that came with the Rough Country light bar. This is the switch that came with the Rough Country light bar. It's pretty thick. It would just stick to your dash. It has an on-off LED indicator on it, push button, double-sided tape on the back. It's kind of bulky. So we drilled a hole in this factory knockout to put our switch that we have on it. Much smaller, cleaner, sleeker. It illuminates. The power emblem on it illuminates. It has a nut on the back that secures it. And then it also comes with this pigtail so that you can just unplug it whenever you have to remove the switch later without undoing a bunch of connectors. These switches, I'll put a link to them in the description. They're super cheap. They come in a pack of 5 or 10, but it's a good solution. We're going to connect our power and ground to the battery and secure all our wiring. Plug in the switch, put our sensor plates back on, and we'll be finished up. We'll test it. We've got our wires connected to our battery. Zip tie the wires so they're out of the way, nice and neat. Last part, plug the sensors back in, pop our panels back in. About to go hit the button, make sure everything still works. So that's the install, guys. We're gonna put links to the products in the description. Please like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching. We're trying to make more videos. Thanks.